Alright traders, hello and welcome back. Let it get straight into it. We've got, right, this is how the small account is going. I did get a little aggressive in regards to chasing Aussie long, and I missed a couple of trades on this account as well, and that's how I was looking. Now what's happened is, I'm just going to let you guys digest. I always show everything, and that's what's happening. Got a few accounts here. So small amounts from earlier in the year. And that's from later in the year. So back to the macro account. And then we'll go through the main account. So the main account, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to actually link up. It's a managed account with a trading firm based in Singapore. So Forex Briefcase or LCMS Traders. I'll actually just bring that up briefly. I'm still long FMG. Average entry was around 1772, 20,000 Aussie dollars worth, and it did close at 1752. But I still see some potential with that. Let's just see what's not opening up. There we go. So as you can see, that's the balance. No trades taken on it yet. I don't know if it's going to actually be able to be reflected. It's a managed account, so it's got some security and privacy things there, so I will show what I can in regards to that. It might not be on my Facebook, it might be on the actual platform itself, the website, but I can send more information to anyone interested in that as well. I'm the account manager as well for the Australian arm of the trading operation, so please, that's real money. That's 50,000 US, which was around 71,000. I put that in a couple of days ago, so we'll see what happens. Again, I'll be completely transparent. So they have a 2-year track record, even longer, and they've returned around 70% in the past 2 years or so. And pretty good account growth this year as well. All right, anyway, so that's that. I am long Apple as well. I took that on stake. I tried to get ComSync. They still haven't actually allowed me to trade international shares, so I'm using ComSync for that. So I got in at 115 on Apple as well. And again, I'm long FMG. I've also got 10,000 Aussie dollars with stock spot as well. And that's down a little bit, the stock spot position. So that's how the FMG position is going. It's really floating around, though, in a bit of a range between low 17s to high 17s. If we break out, that would be ideal. It's not trading with a dividend right now as well. But I see strong fiscal policy coming out globally for the demand for iron ore. So with Brazil out of action still with COVID-19, how they've been managing it, I still see some strong potential there. So there's that. I can't bring up the stake site either. I might try and do that. Stake. So see if I can open up on the desktop. And this is Apple on the bounce. It actually went lower than my entry. It went down to 110.89. I was watching this and before I went to sleep, and I was like, I was happy to get into this. I couldn't put any more in because I needed to call the Commonwealth Bank to increase my international limit. But really, I wanted to enter 10,000, honestly, Australian dollars worth. That was 2,500 worth, so we'll see what happens here. But I was comfortable with that. Like, it was selling off. It was looking like it was going to hit support, so I'm fine with that. And now here is my stock spot positions as well. So that is that I might be looking to add to this, especially if the Aussie market sells off a little bit more. We'll see, though. There could be panic, which is great. You wait for it to calm down, and then in you go. So we'll see. I've learned a lot this year, and I'm definitely, I'm a little disappointed with this, to be fair. And like how I played it, I missed opportunities, and especially when the Aussie dollar finally broke out. I didn't get on this account for my clients, so that's unfortunate. But I'm up a tiny amount of percent for the month, so that's that. But anyway, guys, I really do appreciate the people that do watch it, and those on my position book back to stock spot. So there's a bit of emerging markets. It's down a little bit. The majority was the Australian shares. and a little bit of gold. Gold's moved a little bit lower. Global shares. It's most of the Aussie markets. Yeah, most of the Aussie markets have been down a little bit. But anyway, guys, I do appreciate you watching it. That's it for me now. In regards to a watch list video that's going to come out tomorrow morning as well. So just over 1,100 shares worth of FMG. Skip me account. Well, that's really why mostly I do this as well. But I think it's gone long enough. I mean, in regards to a watch list video, it's like I think come Monday, I'd like to see what happens in regards to the US dollar, and then I'll make it probably Monday night because I won't be doing any trading first thing Monday or during the day on Monday. So it's not going to really reflect my style of trading. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. That was the end of month update. Bye for now.